You don't have a site for any reason other than that equipment. And so the first one is under the heading of what do you need to monitor, right? So we want to know what are those things that we care about because that's everything. I really like to work from the bottom up. What do I want to be keeping track of? And the way you just think of that is what burned us recently? When did we have that big expensive incident? Where are we wasting time? What makes the boss angry? When are the customers calling us and complaining, right? That's the way we start thinking about that. So I have a lot of items that are just suggestions on this sheet that tell us things that you might want to monitor. And oddly enough, the only one that is very specific to a particular industry is what we call revenue generating equipment. So this is, as I say, the reason the site exists, which means it's the radio system, it's phone system, it's some kind of like a telephone switch. And classically, you might have the radio heads for cell towers. It can be whatever systems are involved for push-to-talk radio at the county government level for police and fire. You don't have a site for any reason other than that equipment. And if that equipment doesn't work, you've got nothing. So naturally, that's an obvious choice to monitor. And it is important to note revenue generation is a bit of a loose term because we think of that, okay, if you're the power company and it's helping you deliver power, then okay, fine, you're going to get some revenue from that. But other industries like public safety, the revenue I'm speaking of here would be like public safety. We're generating, saving lives, responding to emergencies. So that is a loose term, but it's the reason we exist, what we're trying to produce as an organization.